Integrating Power BI into a web application allows users to embed interactive reports and dashboards directly into the application's interface, enhancing data visualization and analysis capabilities. Here's how to use Power BI in a web application effectively. Register application. Register your web application with Azure Active Directory to obtain authentication credentials for accessing Power BI resources. Authenticate users. Implement authentication mechanisms such as OAuth 2.0 or Azure AD to authenticate users and obtain access tokens for interacting with Power BI. Embed Power BI content. Use Power BI Embedded or Power BI JavaScript SDK to embed reports and dashboards into your web application. Configure embed settings such as report filters, page navigation, and interactions to tailor the user experience. Load reports dynamically. Dynamically load Power BI reports based on user preferences or contextual data within the web application. Interactivity and customization. Enable interactivity by allowing users to interact with visualizations, apply filters, and drill down into data insights. Customize the embedded reports to match the look and feel of your web application using CSS and JavaScript. Secure access. Ensure secure access to embedded reports by enforcing appropriate access controls and permissions. Monitor usage. Monitor usage metrics and user interactions with embedded Power BI content to optimize performance and user experience.